Hello! Chef Michael here today, and it's Taco Monday! Chef Michael McDermott with Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Right now what I do is I have a hot grill pan, right? And I'm blackening this piece of salmon, which you can buy with the skin on and the skin off. This is about enough for 2 people, okay? Also, as you can see, I have my little toppings over here already. I already have my tortillas. I heated them up on the grill pan. Now this whole meal only takes about 6 minutes, all right? You're gonna just score it on the grill pan. See what I did? I just scored the salmon. See the nice grill marks? All I'm gonna do is score it on both sides. Then I'm gonna put it on this pan with a rack, and I'm gonna finish it in the oven for about 4 minutes. And then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how to assemble it. Once again, 6-minute upstream fish tacos. Hello, back with Taco Monday. We just finished grilling the salmon in the oven. Now I forgot to tell you, I put that in for 450 degrees for about 4.5 minutes. And as you can see on here, there's these little white things on top of the fish. That is how you tell the fish is done. Also, you can press on it and it'll flake, okay? So next, I want to also show you, I took this tortilla, these are corn and flour tortilla, they're soft tortillas, and I just scored it with a paring knife so they'll fold and stay folded, okay? See that? Cool. Anyway, so this is how you build the taco for Taco Monday. I'm just grabbing a little piece, I'm twisting it, and it comes, as you can see, because it's done, it comes right off the skin. Now look how cool that is, man. Now we're going to top that with a little bit of, this is what I like on my tacos, so you can put whatever you want. I like to put a little coleslaw, then a little, this is organic salsa with tomatillas, and then I put a little bit of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. And look at that. Yummy! Taco Monday, grilled salmon, a little coleslaw, some tomatillo salsa, a little Monterey Jack cheese. Yummy! This is Chef Michael McDermott. This is Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Remember, when you eat well, you live well. Stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks.